Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to change your address on the Wise application. There are different ways you can change your details on Wise, depending on whether it is on your personal or business account. Some of the details you might want to change include your address, date of birth, phone number, name or email. You can't change your name by yourself, but it can update your name for you in certain circumstances. You can change your primary phone number, but if you have two-step verifications enabled, you will need to confirm your new number by text. You can't change your backup phone number or add a new one, but you can remove it. Your address can be changed by following the steps below. Once you have changed your details there, we will be in touch if you need to verify your address again. You can change your email address yourself on both the web and app. You can't change your date of birth after you have completed your first transfer because it has already verified you. You should be able to change it before your first transfer if you have made a mistake. If you have managed to send a transfer with a mistake in your date of birth, you will need to send your document showing the correct date and it will help you update it. It depends on you if you have a business or personal account. Select your name in the top right corner. Select your details and select Edit Details. Enter your password. Go to your initials or picture at the top. Select Settings and select Personal Details. Edit your details and save. You can only edit your details from your personal account. Select your business name in the top right corner. Then select Settings, then select Personal Details, and select Edit Your Details. If you can't edit your personal details from your business account, it might be because you have already got a personal account. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.